Alright, so now for the cool stuff. Hey, this is the whole reason that we have rational exponents. It's because we're going to be asked to do math with different types of radicals. So if I have a radical with an index 2 and a radical with an index of 5, the only way I can combine these is by using rational exponents. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with one that starts with rational exponents and one that starts with just radical form. So here it is. First of all, we know our exponent rules say that if I have a to the second power and I multiply by a to the seventh power, that I can find my answer by just adding the 2 and the 7. So we're going to use this same idea down here, which means if I have two x's that I'm multiplying together, that I could actually come up with the answer by adding the 1/5 and the 2/3. So what's that going to look like? Well, I need something called a common denominator. So 5 and 3 common denominator is going to be 15. So 5 is going to turn into 15. That turns into 3. So to turn a 3 into 15, I multiply by 5. 2 times 5 is 10. So my final answer would be x to the 13/15. So that's the basics. So let's talk about what it means in a problem like this where I don't even have the fraction. Well, first step is if this is the method of doing it, I want to turn this into something that looks like that. So my first value is the square root of a, which really has an index of 2. So this is going to be a to the 1/2 times a to the 2 over the index, which is 5. So when I multiply these two together, remember I add the exponents. So it's 1/2 plus 2/5. So this is going to equal a to the, well, my common denominator is going to be 10. And I'm going to get 5 over 10 and times 2 is 4 over 10. So 5 plus 4 is a grand total of a to the 9 over 10th power.